What if two small German Pfennig coins from 1977 and 1974 could reveal a fascinating piece of European history? In today's video we are exploring two classic coins of the Federal Republic of Germany. The 1977 J Mintmark 2 Pfennig from Hamburg and the 1974 G Mintmark 10 Pfennig from Karlsruhe. Although these coins were once used in everyday transactions by millions of people across West Germany, they have now become interesting collectibles that continue to attract the attention of coin enthusiasts around the world. The 1977 2 Pfennig and 1974 10 Pfennig represent an important era in West Germany's economic development and monetary history. Featuring the iconic designs created by Adolf Jäger, including the famous oak leaves and wheat ears, these coins are much more than old currency. They are historical artifacts that connect collectors to a period of growth, stability and prosperity in post-war Germany. While many people see only small circulation coins, collectors understand that condition Mintmark's rarity and historical significance can make certain examples highly desirable. In this video we will take a detailed look at both the 1977 J Mintmark 2 Pfennig and the 1974 G Mintmark 10 Pfennig. We will uncover their history, design, collector appeal, and the reasons why these German coins continue to generate interest among numismatists today. Stay with us until the very end, because the story behind these remarkable coins and their potential collector value may be more surprising than you expect. Before we continue with today's exciting coin discovery, make sure you have watched our previous coin feature where we explored another fascinating piece of numismatic history and uncovered the story hidden behind an ordinary-looking coin. If you enjoy learning about rare coins, historical currency and collector treasures from around the world, then you are in exactly the right place. Today we are taking a deep dive into a remarkable coin from West Germany that continues to attract attention from collectors decades after it was first issued. This is the 1977 J Mintmark 2 Pfennig coin. A small coin with a big history and a growing reputation among coin enthusiasts who appreciate historical significance, beautiful design and collectible value. At first glance, the 1977 2 Pfennig coin may seem like a simple piece of pocket change. Its small size and modest denomination can easily cause people to overlook it. However, experienced collectors understand that every coin tells a story. Coins are silent witnesses to history. They pass through countless hands. They travel through different cities and generations. They survive political changes, economic transformations and technological developments. The 1977 2 Pfennig coin is no exception. This small coin represents an important chapter in the history of West Germany and serves as a reminder of a period when the country was experiencing stability, growth and prosperity. For collectors, this coin is much more than metal. It is a historical artifact that preserves a moment in time. The Federal Republic of Germany, commonly known as West Germany, was one of the most influential economic powers in Europe during the 1970s. Following the challenges of the post-war era, the country experienced extraordinary economic growth, often referred to as the German economic miracle. Factories expanded, industries flourished, and living standards improved significantly. During this period, coins such as the 2 Pfennig played an essential role in daily commerce. Every purchase, no matter how small, depended upon coins and banknotes circulating throughout the economy. Millions of these 2 Pfennig coins moved from one person to another every day, becoming a familiar part of daily life for citizens across the country. One of the most fascinating aspects of this coin is its design. The reverse side features 2 elegant wheat ears created by the distinguished German artist Adolf Jäger. This design is simple yet powerful. Wheat has long symbolized prosperity, abundance, productivity, and economic strength. The inclusion of wheat ears on the coin reflects values that were important to Germany and highlights the connection between agriculture, industry, and national development. The clean appearance of the design gives the coin a timeless quality that remains attractive even decades after its release. Surrounding the design is the denomination inscription 2 Pfennig, which clearly identifies the value of the coin while maintaining the balanced artistic composition for which German coinage is well known. The obverse side features the inscription Bundesrepublik Deutschland, meaning Federal Republic of Germany. This inscription proudly identifies the issuing nation and reinforces the coin's historical significance. Every time a collector holds this coin, they are holding a genuine piece of German history. The lettering and layout demonstrate the precision and craftsmanship that have long been associated with German minting traditions. Even though the coin was intended for everyday use, considerable attention was given to its design and production quality. An especially important detail for collectors is the presence of the J Mintmark. Germany operated several mint facilities, and each mint used a unique identifying letter. The letter J indicates that this coin was struck at the Hamburg mint. For many collectors, mint marks add an additional layer of interest because they allow comparisons between coins produced at different facilities. Some collectors attempt to assemble complete sets containing every mint mark, while others focus on coins from specific mints. The Hamburg mint has a rich history and continues to be an important part of German coin production. Because of this, the J Mintmark remains highly recognizable among numismatists around the world. When discussing the value of any collectible coin, several factors must be considered. Condition is perhaps the most important factor. A coin that has remained well preserved over the years often commands greater attention than one showing extensive wear. Collectors carefully examine surfaces, details, luster, and overall appearance when evaluating a coin. Small differences in condition can result in significant differences in value. This is one reason why collectors often store their coins in protective holders, albums, or cases to preserve their quality for future generations. Another factor influencing collector interest is historical significance. The 1977 Pfennig coin belongs to a currency system that no longer exists. Before Germany adopted the euro, the nation used the Deutsche Mark and Pfennig system for many decades. As a result, coins such as this one have become tangible reminders of an earlier monetary era. People who lived during that period often remember these coins with nostalgia, while younger collectors appreciate them as historical objects connected to an important chapter of European history. This combination of history and nostalgia contributes to continued demand within the numismatic community. The estimated value of $90, sometimes associated with premium examples, demonstrates how collector demand can transform an ordinary circulation coin into a desirable collectible. It is important to understand that values vary depending on condition, rarity grading, and market demand. Not every example will achieve the same value. However, the possibility of discovering a particularly desirable specimen encourages collectors to search through old collections, inherited coin boxes, and forgotten albums. The excitement of making a valuable discovery is one of the reasons coin collecting remains such a popular hobby around the world. Coin collecting is unique because it combines history, art, economics, culture, and the thrill of discovery. Every coin represents a story waiting to be explored. The 1977 J Mintmark II Pfennig coin offers collectors an opportunity to connect with the history of West Germany while appreciating the craftsmanship that went into its creation. Whether someone is an experienced numismatist or a beginner just entering the hobby, this coin serves as an excellent example of how even the smallest denominations can possess fascinating stories and meaningful collector appeal. As time continues to pass, coins from the 20th century become increasingly important historical artifacts. Each year, fewer high-quality examples remain available because many have been lost, damaged, or removed from circulation. This gradual reduction in supply often increases collector interest and encourages greater appreciation for surviving specimens. For this reason, many collectors believe that preserving historical coins is important not only for personal enjoyment but also for protecting pieces of history that future generations can study and appreciate. The 1977 J Mintmark II Pfennig coin may be small in size, but its story is truly remarkable. From its connection to West Germany's economic success to its beautiful wheat ear design and its role within a currency system that has now disappeared, this coin represents much more than its face value. It is a symbol of history, craftsmanship, and cultural heritage. For collectors, it remains an intriguing and rewarding addition to a collection. For historians, it offers a glimpse into everyday life during a significant period of European development. And for anyone interested in coins, it serves as proof that extraordinary stories can often be found in the most ordinary places. Now that we have explored the history, design significance and collector appeal of the 1977 J Mintmark II Pfennig coin, our journey through the world of numismatics continues. Another fascinating coin awaits, and its story is just as exciting. Stay with us as we move forward to the next coin and uncover another hidden treasure from the world of coin collecting. Now we arrive at the final coin in today's fascinating journey through the world of historical German currency. Throughout this video we have explored remarkable pieces of numismatic history and discovered how even small everyday coins can carry extraordinary stories. Our final featured coin is the 1974 G Mintmark 10 Pfennig from West Germany. A coin that may appear simple at first glance, but one that holds a special place in the hearts of collectors and historians alike. As we conclude today's exploration, we will take an even deeper look into what makes this coin so memorable and why it continues to attract attention decades after it was first struck. The 1974 G Mintmark 10 Pfennig coin was produced during a period when West Germany stood among the strongest and most successful economies in the world. The nation was recognized for its industrial achievements, technological innovation, and economic stability. During this era, the Deutsche Mark became one of the most respected currencies in international finance, and coins such as the 10 Pfennig played an essential role in daily life. Millions of people carried these coins in their pockets and used them for ordinary purchases without ever imagining that future generations would view them as collectible pieces of history. One of the most appealing aspects of this coin is the beautiful artistic work of Adolf Jäger. His designs are admired throughout the numismatic world for their simplicity, balance, and symbolism. On the obverse side, the coin displays the inscription Bundesrepublik Deutschland along with a graceful arrangement of oak leaves. These oak leaves are far more than decorative elements. They represent strength, endurance, determination, and national pride. Throughout German history, the oak tree has been associated with resilience and stability, making it the perfect symbol for a nation that rebuilt itself and achieved remarkable economic success after the challenges of the 20th century. The reverse side continues this tradition of meaningful symbolism through the elegant wheat ear design surrounding the denomination 10 Pfennig. Wheat has long represented prosperity, abundance, and productivity. It reflects the importance of hard work and economic growth. Every detail of the design was carefully chosen to create a coin that was both practical and visually appealing. Even today, collectors appreciate the clean appearance and timeless beauty of this classic German design. The G Mintmark identifies the Karlsruhe mint as the place where this particular coin was produced. Germany has a long tradition of minting coins at several facilities, each marked with its own identifying letter. For collectors, mint marks add another level of interest because they help trace the origin of a coin and often inspire the creation of complete mint mark collections. The Karlsruhe mint has played an important role in German coin production, and coins bearing the G Mintmark continue to be sought after by collectors around the world. What makes this coin especially fascinating is its connection to a monetary system that has disappeared from everyday life. Before the adoption of the euro, Germany relied on the Deutsche Mark and Pfennig currency system. For many people, these coins represent memories of a different era. They recall a time before digital payments, before modern banking technologies, and before the introduction of a common European currency. As a result, the 1974 10 Pfennig coin serves as a tangible reminder of a significant chapter in European history. Collectors are often drawn to coins because they combine history, art, and the excitement of discovery. The 1974 G Mintmark 10 Pfennig offers all three. It connects collectors to the story of West Germany. It showcases the artistic talent of Adolf Jäger. It also provides the possibility of finding a valuable example in exceptional condition. Stories of premium specimens reaching impressive collector values have inspired many enthusiasts to examine old collections and search through inherited coin albums. The possibility that an overlooked coin could hold significant value continues to make coin collecting one of the most exciting hobbies in the world. Condition remains one of the most important factors affecting collector value. Coins that retain strong details, original surfaces, and attractive eye appeal are generally the most desirable. Every scratch, mark, sign of wear, and surface imperfection can influence how collectors evaluate a coin. This careful attention to preservation explains why serious collectors invest considerable effort into protecting their collections. A well-preserved coin not only maintains its beauty but also preserves a piece of history for future generations. As time passes, historical coins become increasingly important cultural artifacts. Each surviving example tells a story about the people who used it, the economy in which it circulated, and the nation that produced it. The 1974 G Mintmark 10 Pfennig is more than a denomination. It is a witness to history. It reflects a period of growth, prosperity, and confidence within West Germany. It reminds us that even the smallest objects can provide valuable insights into the past. For many collectors, the greatest reward is not simply the financial value of a coin but the knowledge and appreciation gained through studying it. Every coin opens a window into another place and another time. The 1974 G Mintmark 10 Pfennig offers an opportunity to explore German history, economic development, artistic design, and numismatic tradition all through a single small piece of metal. This combination of education and discovery is what makes coin collecting such a rewarding pursuit. As we reach the end of today's coin collecting journey, we can appreciate how remarkable this final coin truly is. From its symbolic oak leaves and wheat ears to its connection with the Karlsruhe mint and the history of West Germany, every detail contributes to its lasting appeal. Whether viewed as a collectible historical artifact or simply a beautiful example of classic coin design, the 1974 G Mintmark 10 Pfennig remains an important and fascinating piece of numismatic heritage. This brings us to the conclusion of today's video. Thank you for joining Bullion and Beyond as we explored another incredible coin from history. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more rare coins, valuable discoveries, and fascinating numismatic stories, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a future upload. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know which coin from today's video was your favorite. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next exciting coin adventure on Bullion and Beyond.